Welcome to the iDryclean demo. Load iDryclean on your computer to try it out free of charge. From our webpage, click on the Get Free Demo Here button. This loads the iDryclean program onto your computer. Watch the countdown to completion of the download. Now, click on the iDryclean name and the Install Program will open and the setup wizard will start. Make sure you exit the web page so it isn't showing any longer. Click the Next button. Accept the terms of agreement and click the Next button. Then click on the Install button. Click on the Run iDryclean button. Now you will see the welcome screen and the store is called the iDryclean demo. When you purchase iDryclean, you will be given your own invitation code for your store. Simply click on the OK button to get started. You're ready to run. We suggest that you click on the Help button and then the Training Videos button. You can watch a training video for all the features in iDryclean. Anywhere you see a blue question mark on the iDryclean screens, you can click on them to see a video explaining that feature. This will make training of new clerks very easy. Good luck trying out iDryclean. Call us at 800-950-6767 if you have any questions.